this is Ida. Welcome back to my channel. And to you new subscribers, thank you so much for subscribing. Hope you stick around. Welcome. This is a March Plan With Me setup video, and the theme obviously is butterflies. So yeah, I'm mostly using purple and green as colors for this setup, although the mood tracking colors will be different, of course, because I have 7 moods or feelings or whatever. But anyway, now I'm doodling butterflies, and it's really very easy to doodle. That's why I have slowed down the filming a bit when I was doodling the butterflies, because I wanted to show you just how literally how easy it is to doodle them. And like I've said many times before, I am so not an artist, and but I love bullet journaling, and I get to be creative and I get to have fun, and it's my journal, and and now we're over to I'm writing out some few things on the quote page. Best and kind. Wonder what that's gonna be. Anyway, so I'm over to March, just decorating a bit on the header for March. And now I'm writing the best of people are those who are kind to others. The best of people are those who are kind to others. And that is so true. Think about that for a moment. That is so true. And now I'm doodling not very beautiful one, but I'm trying my best, a butterfly, and doodling some small ones. I doodled 1 big and 6 small on the cover page, and 1 big and 2 small, so 7 and 3 on each side. On the quote page, 3 butterflies, and on the cover page, 7. So, and I doodled them purple and green, and washi tape, of course. Gotta add some washi tape. Love that. Look how it looks. Great. Moving on to the calendar, and the boxes. It's a grid spacing. It's a grid notebook. It's a grid. What's it called? Dot grid notebook. So and the grid spacing is 6x6. The boxes in the calendar are 6x6. So if anyone was wondering about the grid spacing. And now I'm using a green Tombow just to have some background for the dates, to write in from 1 to 31, because it's 31 days in March. And my calendars go from Monday to Sunday, so I'm writing Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. So I'm just writing the first letter of the day of the week. And now I'm doodling again some butterflies, and I just love how cute they look, and how simple and easy and beginner friendly, because I'm I've said it 1,000 times before, and I say it again, I am so not an artist, but I love doing this. I really love doing this, and it makes me happy to do this, and the fact that my channel actually is growing it makes me so incredibly happy, and I just love it. So I hope you guys like this video, of course. And now I'm writing in the dates, and I'm using a Pigma Micron to write in the dates. And I used a Tombow for Nosuke calligraphy pen to line in to make the calendar. And I used a Crayola Super Tip to write the MTWTFSS. And I'm using a 0.1 micron to doodle the butterflies, but I think it's a bit broken because it's a bit thicker than expected. Now I'm using a size 1 a Pigma micron size. No, now I'm using a 0.1. I'm doodling the butterflies. I used a excuse me, a size 1 to write in the dates, and now I'm coloring with some mix of Tombos and Crayola Super Tips. My go-to markers are the Tombos and the Crayola Super Tips. I just love them. So that was a cute calendar setup. And now over to the sleep log or I think I wrote sleep tracker, but it is a sleep log. It is actually a sleep log. So I'm writing the dates from 1 to 31. And then here I actually have very poor eyesight. I am nearsighted, so I had some problems with that's why it's taking so long, even though I've sped it up like full speed here. So I write from 5 p.m. Until 5 p.m. again on the timing, and then I just highlight in when I sleep on the day. And now I'm over to the mood tracker. Yeah, I wrote sleep tracker. It is a sleep log, not a sleep tracker. It's a sleep log. And I have 7 moods this time. Well, not moods, more like feelings, to be more honest, even though it's a mood tracker, but feeling trackers though. So, and surprise, it's butterflies to, track the mood with. I couldn't come up with something, spectacular. So I doodled butterflies, and I'm gonna slow down the tempo of the filming in a little bit. I just didn't want it to take like 1,000 years to make this video, so I sped it up, and I think I'm slowing down right about very soon. So you can see how I'm doodling these. Now I'm slowing down. Now you can see how I'm doodling these butterflies. They're really simple to doodle, and the reason why I decided to, cut them in half is because sometimes I have more than just one feeling during the day, and it's not just bad or just good or just this or just that. So I decided to split them in 2. So I always have more than one feeling during a day, but so that I can split them up into, for example, if I was tired but I was happy, so I wrote, I have 7, and it's happy, productive, good, okay, tired/sick, and sad and angry. And I'm coloring happy green and productive lime green and good pink and okay purple and tired sick yellow and sad blue, got the blues, and red angry. And now I'm just doodling in the facial expressions on them. Excuse me again. So, and I'm so dim sum. I forgot to number the butterflies from 1 to 31. It is 31 butterflies, so I forgot to number them. Typical. And this is the last spread. Yay! We've finally come to an end before the flip through, and this is the weekly for week 9 of the year. And that is Monday, February 28th to Sunday, March 6th. And here I'm adding some washi tape, of course, because I love washi tape. I really do. And now I'm doodling some butterflies again, because I just love butterflies. And I think this theme with green and purple is... I used it in August in 2020 as well, and that is a real-time video, so that is quite a tedious... it takes a little while to watch it, but a lot of people liked it, and a lot of people watched it, so it was one of my most popular videos back in the day, or I think it still is one of my most popular videos, the August of 2020, my first year of bullet journaling, so... So now I'm just writing Mon to Wed the Fry Sat Sun, because I'm a bit lazy, so I just don't want to write the whole day. And then I used Black Tombow for no Sukitur. Oh, flip through. March, butterfly, yay. Purple and green, and the best of people are those who are kind to others. True, true, true. Yeah, thumbs up. That is so true. The calendar, March 2022, Monday through Sunday. So that's what your calendar looks like with 31 days. And week 9, 10, 11, 12, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Yeah, the weeks of the year. That's why I don't have 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah. And now the mood tracker. Yeah. And now I realize that I have forgot to number them. So I'm getting a bit upset when soon you'll see my hands go like, ugh, when I realize that I forgot to number the butterflies. And yeah, here I'm pointing at the different moods, which I've already told you about. Now I'm pointing at I forgot to number them. But I will number them later. This is my sleep log of March 2022. And these are the dates from 1 to 31 because it's 31 days in March. And it's from 5 p.m. to midnight and then a.m. and then, p.m. again. And here is where I sleep. Here where I point. That's roughly where I sleep. An ideal day. And we have come to an end. I used a white gel pen, a Signo Uniball to write on top of the black. And I didn't color in the butterflies because I just, that would be a bit much. Yeah, but that was it. Thank you guys so much for watching. My loyal subscribers, I really do love you. You know that. And thank you so much for watching. Bye. Peace and love. Yeah, please like the video. Please like it. Love you. Bye. Thank you for watching. Bye.